To the outsider, that might look like a lot of different stuff. Was it just figuring out the best way, or you just or is it just going from, one stumbling block to the next, so to speak?
I don't want to say I was stumbling through it. You said 15 years. It's actually been more like 16 years now. So it was all about scale for me. I wanted it to go big. And with the single family, I feel like I just hit a brick wall. We were doing anywhere from 40 to 50 flips at one point, fix and flips, and then started doing some ground up stuff, and I was spread pretty thin, to say the least.
Right.
And that's when I got introduced to, about 6 years ago, into multifamily syndications. And before that, I didn't realize that I could purchase a 100+ unit apartment, without coming in with millions and millions of my own money. And I just ran with it. That was instant scale on one deal. So I put all my focus towards it. Same thing with the construction company, put all my focus towards doing renovations and ground up for multi. And that's it. Once all that focus was there, it obviously began to grow.